Apple's leather cases are the premium quality cases that you can get for your iPhone. And with the iPhone 12 and the newly launched iPhone 13 series, well, since they support MagSafe, their stock case prices got hiked, and this leather case for the iPhone 12 actually cost 5,900 Indian rupees, and the iPhone 13 series leather case cost 5,500 Indian rupees. So it's a very high price tag for a case, and hence a long-term perspective durability is an important thing to consider, and this video is all about it. Now this leather case for the iPhone 12 was used for approximately a year, and the usage pattern was the regular normal type, and after so long, this is how the case looks. And at a glance, it might seem not that appealing, but some do prefer this type of aging, and with leather products, this is kinda normal. And here, since the case color is saddle brown, that's why the aging is very evident. But apart from this look, well, this case actually aged well, and also in terms of protection, it has done an excellent job. And the reason I'm stating so is because this iPhone 12, which was used throughout with this leather case, is still in pristine condition, and that's what a case is supposed to do. I mean, there isn't any scuffs or scratches, not even in the camera area, and overall the phone still looks brand new. Now the microfiber internal portion of the case is a reason for keeping the back glass of the phone clean, and also this camera cutout with plastic border has also done a great job. And this phone with this case did actually fall on a tiled floor, but that didn't create issue to the phone, and to the case, well, there is just this slight peeling. And also this case even now is sturdy, and there isn't any breakage around the cutouts, so that's all positives about the case. Now about the case installation, it's easy, and here since there is MagSafe support, the animation does pop up. While talking about MagSafe support, this unit was never charged with a MagSafe charger, and that's the reason why there isn't the ring formation around the MagSafe area. So if in case you're a person who is using the MagSafe charging method, well then you might notice such a thing after long-term use. And here with this case that I'm reviewing, the corner portion is where most of the patina effect is evident, and that's kind of different from old curved leather cases. And here if in case you're wondering about how the metal buttons are holding up, well they still look clean, and also it does work great. And here a very important thing to notice that initially out of the box the leather case was a bit slippery, but after regular usage that slipperiness has gone because of the leather aging, and now it's more of a natural feel while holding the phone with the case. But even then, the case doesn't offer any resistance while sliding inside your pants pocket, and also taking it out is still easy. So from all this, the key points to note about the Apple's leather case for the iPhone 12 series or even the 13 series is that they do provide great protection and even keeps your phone in a really good condition with long-term use. And even though the case's appeal changes over time, well, it will still give that premium in-hand feel, and also based on looks, if you like the patina effect, it's something that you will like. And from my experience, I think right now I do prefer the leather case over the silicone case, and if you are a person who's looking to buy a premium quality case for your iPhone, well then this leather case is a great option to consider. That's all for this video guys, hope you liked it. If so, a like is much appreciated, and also please don't forget to subscribe to the channel because it does help our channel a lot and you won't miss our future content. See you again in the next one. Till then, bye.